Hello friends, today we will discuss about how a self-loading concrete mixer works. Since the introduction of concrete in construction, various methods have been used to make concrete from cement, sand, gravel and water. Traditional method of mixing concrete is doing it by hand. This is the earliest method of making concrete and is still being used in many developing and developed countries for making concrete in small batches. Increase in size of construction projects has forced to replace the manual mixing with machine mixing. These machines typically consist of huge revolving drums and are known as concrete mixers. They are known for their fast, effective and bulk production of concrete. As the construction at uneven terrain construction site evolved, need for mobile concrete mixer arose. Self-loading concrete mixer was developed to fulfill this need. It is known for its compact size and low maintenance and can be controlled by a single operator. Working of self-loading concrete mixer can be explained in the following manner. Loading the raw materials. Initially, the raw materials are loaded into a shovel. This shovel is self-articulated and hydraulically controlled. The operator uses a joystick to control this shovel and feed it into the drum. This is the feature that makes this machine different from the rest others. Mixing of concrete materials in self-loading concrete mixer. The function of the drum is to mix the raw materials homogeneously. A continuous supply of water makes sure that the machine is working normally and the level of water is maintained in the concrete. These drums are usually fitted with spiral blades. The drums are designed to rotate at high speed. For mixing, rotation of the drum is fixed in one direction. During mixing, the spiral blade pushes the concrete materials deep into the drum. This high-speed rotation makes sure for homogeneous mixing of materials in concrete. Collecting the mixed concrete materials. Once the concrete is mixed, the collection of the mixed material is the next step. This can be done in two ways. One way is by changing the direction of rotation of spiral blades fitted inside the drum. The change in direction will force the concrete out of the drum. Another method is by tilting the drum. In this method, the drum is lifted from the back with the use of hydraulic pumps. This pushes the concrete out of the drum into the collector bin. This easy operation of self-loading concrete materials has made it available for use in construction of mine and tunnel, where concrete batching plants are not an option. Construction of piling, foundations and ground consolidations. Railway and road constructions. Why choose us? Apollo Infratic Private Limited has introduced Apollo Ceramics, a joint venture with the world leader Carmix. Ceramics, with its worldwide proven machines, is leading the market of self-loading concrete machines. As Apollo Ceramics, we are dedicated to manufacturing and supplying high-quality solution for concrete mixing. Self-loading concrete mixers are ideal for producing and distributing high-quality concrete in most difficult construction sites. We have an advanced infrastructure and proficient R&D department. We are dedicated to provide supreme-grade equipment and achieve high percentage in terms of customer satisfaction. For more details about concrete self-loading concrete mixer, visit us at www.apolloceramics.com.